Welcome back. Today we're at the cabin doing cabin things, and we're getting cabinets today.
Let's try to open one of those. Well, this is above the fridge.
Oh, that's not, that'll look cool. Is that the back side too? The longest reveal ever. Those look awesome. Alright, so on our way up to the property, we stopped and we got a new toy.
So we have a steel, what is it?
Pole saw
A
attachment?
pole saw attachment. Nobody needs to come up to do that?
That's okay, there should be a sticker with the barcode on it too.
Copy. Okay, is that $199?
Unless you want to charge me less.
No, I just wanted to make sure that was what you're doing.
Hey, behave yourself.
Pole saw attachment for the combi unit, which we're not going to use all too much today, I don't think. We're going to focus on the bathroom. Okay, so now that we got all the cabinets in, I'm just going to kind of give y'all an update of what we've been doing and why there hasn't been that many cabin videos and just the progress. So first up, we're up in the loft and everything is insulated. It's super cool up here all year round. It's just nice. Insulation is nice. Everything is quiet up here. And then we have the biggest thing. All the plumbing is done. We got all the PEX in here, and then we have everything for the drain and everything. The tub right here. This is all the PEX tubing we wired up and the copper tubing. That's gonna be for the shower. That's running up to a drain up there. Or not a drain, a vent. But we've pressure tested it. It probably took us like 2 weeks to get it pressure tested and actually good. And now we just have to get it inspected. We're on the waiting list, and I'll just update you guys when we get it passed. But this is where the main hub is. This is where we'd fill it up here and just, yeah. This is the kitchen area where this is the sink drain. The sink's gonna go right here. A dishwasher goes right here. And yeah, and then you can just see, the other big thing, all the PEX I was talking about. And then we have the sheetrock for the tubs. I've already told you about the tubs, but we have this sheetrock here. We had to cut some strips here to make it all the right width to come out. It's not all the way done yet. We'll do some more of that later on today. We're storing the cabinets right here in this area. Down here, it's not insulated in the ceiling yet. That's all that. We're still gonna have to insulate it all. But we just kind of pop it in the ceiling and it'll stay there for a while. And then next, we're gonna head downstairs to where a lot of everything has happened. This is where we're storing all the cabinets for now. But we don't have any of the heat reflective anything in yet. So you can just see here, we just ran two back and forth, all throughout here. And then this is where everything happens. We got just all the manifolds for everything down here and a water heater, which is gonna be awesome. We're gonna have a washer and dryer here. That's what those two boxes are for. And then this is just the guts of everything. This is the temporary power board. Right now, our electrical is not very good at all. So that's the next big thing. And we also have a mini fridge and a microwave. Back here is more insulation for this ceiling. And then this window we had a lot of trouble with getting because it didn't come with the cabin kit because it's in the basement. I'm saying a lot in this video. So we had to special order it, and we got it from Lowe's, and Lowe's sent it to the wrong house and they cracked it. So then we had to wait another while to get it, but we finally got it, and yeah, it works great. It comes out like this, It's a big bay window, so that'll look really cool. And now we can move to the outside. My dad is weed whacking down here and some of the septic, so you're just gonna have to bear with the noise. We'll start in the back, so we'll get away from the noise somewhat. So, we have all this stone on, all the way around. We had to put this thing on, this top for the rocks, and then these two, this is where the actual logs are, and then these two are just siding we nailed on. We have all the hoses around, they're all hooked up. No water yet because we don't have enough electricity to pull water up from the well yet. So as soon as we get that, then we'll have toilets and we'll have everything we need. But I can just show you around here. We got all the rock done, which it looks really good. There's definitely some gaps that we're gonna have to fill. This is the most noticeable, where all the rock is. And this is what we started with. This is mesh you have to put right into the ICF. We had to screw it in maybe every 6 inches. And then we had to put this scratch coating of mortar on, and we just marked it up, and then we could start putting the rocks on. So that's kind of the evolutionary of how that all happened. And yeah, we just had the rocks with the 2 ledger boards right there all the way around. And yeah, it looks really good. Another hose right there. And then around the corner here, we have all this logs done, which this is all siding here, which I think it looks really good. I'll pan out for you guys. But yeah, another thing we did is we put this bracket in, which basically just mounts the porch to the inside of the house right there. That's where some of the big logs that go up to the house are mounted on. I think that's pretty much everything else that's new for this video.